Desmond Méndez, born on April 6, 1980, is the dynamic force behind the name Charly Black, also known as Charly Blacks, and originally introduced to the world as Tony Mentol. This Jamaican reggae and dancehall sensation has taken the music scene by storm with his infectious energy and vibrant performances. Charly Black is a multifaceted artist, excelling as a singer, selector, and singjay. His breakthrough hit, Gyal You, a Party Animal, catapulted him to international fame. The track became an anthem far beyond Jamaica, resonating deeply in Mexico, South America, Spain, the Caribbean, and Central America. Its catchy rhythm and captivating beats have made it one of the most watched dancehall videos on YouTube, boasting over 238 million views as of February 2022. But Charly Black's musical prowess doesn't stop there. He has a string of other popular tracks, including Wine and Catchy, featuring J Capri, Girlfriend, Bike Back, and Hoist and Wine. His collaborations span across genres and borders, notably teaming up with American Latin pop star Giancarlos Canella on the sizzling single, Pa Que Me Invitin'. Beyond his musical achievements, Charly Black's personal life is equally intriguing. He was married to Dana Hunt, a talented songwriter known for co-writing George Strait's hit singles, Check Yes or No, and Write This Down. Together, they have 6 children, adding a rich, familial dimension to his life. Charly Black's success is not just measured in streams and views but also in his financial achievements, with an estimated net worth of approximately $941,000. His journey from the streets of Jamaica to international stardom is a testament to his talent, hard work, and relentless passion for music. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into Charly Black's extravagant lifestyle, his illustrious music career, and the stories behind the man who brought dancehall to the global stage. Let's now look at Charly Black's life and the dancehall music career. Desmond Méndez, famously known as Charly Black, was born in the tranquil town of Rio Bueno, Jamaica, on April 6, 1980. From an early age, Desmond showed a remarkable talent for singing, participating in local competitions as young as 5. His passion for music only grew as he attended Rio Bueno Primary and High School, where he continued to hone his craft. Desmond's early career saw him becoming a staple in Jamaica's vibrant sound system culture. He was an active member of Warlord International and Bass Odyssey sound systems, platforms that played a pivotal role in his musical development. Under the alias Tony Mentol, he made his recorded debut in 2004 with the single, Woman It's You. However, seeking a fresh start and a new identity, he transitioned to the name Charly Black. As Charly Black, he began recording a series of tracks for prominent labels like Coppershot, M-Bass, and VP Records. One of his notable early releases was Buddy Buddy in 2008, which helped to solidify his presence in the dancehall scene. In 2012, Charly Black took a significant leap in his career by partnering with Head Concussion Records, a label founded by the renowned Jamaican producer Russian. This collaboration led to the release of Wine and Catchy, a duet with singer J Capri. The song was a massive hit, gaining widespread acclaim in the dancehall community and establishing itself as a classic. Charly Black's career reached new heights in 2014 with the release of his most successful single to date, Gyal You, a Party Animal, initially known simply as Party Animal. The track, built on Kurt Riley's infectious jammin' rhythm, quickly captivated listeners beyond Jamaica, especially in South America. Recognizing its potential, Alesgo Productions secured worldwide licensing, while Casablanca Records handled the US distribution. The accompanying music video, released on YouTube, further propelled the song's popularity, amassing over 100 million streams on Spotify. Party Animal became a global phenomenon, attracting the attention of international artists. It was remixed by notable figures such as Maluma, Daddy Yankee, and Jillionaire. However, Maluma encountered legal obstacles that prevented him from officially releasing his remix. Despite this, the song's success cemented Charly Black's status as a dancehall superstar, demonstrating his ability to transcend cultural and geographical boundaries with his infectious rhythms and charismatic performances. Live performances. In May 2016, Charly Black, whose real name is Desmond Méndez, delivered a sensational performance in Victoria, Seychelles, receiving high praise from critics. This event marked a significant moment in his career, highlighting his prowess as a live performer. The critical acclaim from this performance set the stage for an even more active period in his career, as he began to engage more with live audiences worldwide. Later that year, the monumental success of his hit single, Gyal You, a Party Animal, solidified his status as a global dancehall icon. Riding on this wave of success, Charly Black intensified his live performances, captivating audiences with his electrifying stage presence. In October 2016, He performed in Mexico, showcasing his signature song, Gyal You a Party Animal, alongside other hits like Hoist and Wine. This event was notably sponsored by the Hispanic Radio Network and Los 40, one of the most prominent radio stations in the region. His performance was a resounding success, drawing a large crowd and further expanding his international fan base. Charly Black's momentum continued as he appeared in San Jose, Costa Rica, on December 2, 2016. This performance was particularly momentous as Gyal You a Party Animal was certified diamond in Central America during this event. This milestone made Charly Black the first Jamaican artist to receive a diamond certification in the region, a testament to his widespread appeal and the universal love for his music. Charly Black's ability to connect with audiences across different cultures and regions underscores his versatility and talent as an artist. His performances in Seychelles, Mexico, and Costa Rica not only enhanced his reputation but also cemented his place in the annals of dancehall history. His journey from local performances to international stardom illustrates his dedication to his craft and his enduring impact on the global music scene. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more exciting content on Jamaican artists.